I'm excited to see how it looks like inside, and Mom too. Hey guys, hello from Paris. So one of my goals is to book a first class flight for Lufthansa, and we are making it happen today. The reason why I wanted to do this for my mom to experience flying in first class. We found it. That's it. Welcome. They have different kinds of bread in here. I'm gonna get this name, croissants. What do you have, Ma? Croissants, some butter.
Thank you.
Kamusta, Ma? Gusto niyo yung croissant?
Sarap.
Ano mas? Kamusta siya sa yung sa Paris?
Pakalasa ng Paris.
Oh? Wow.
Kanina, yung third, kinukuha yung order namin. Nandun siya. Hide the pain, young version.
Hide the pain, Harold.
Hide the pain, Harold, younger version.
Hello.
Hello. So this is my temporary sleeping area in the lounge.
Where are we?
We are in Lufthansa, the first class lounge. And they said the bed is small, but this is big enough for me. I was expecting the same one in New York, where it's just a lounge chair, but it's a full room.
Alright.
So I need to sleep. Goodbye.
Good night. I only have 30 minutes before flight, and we are going to our gates.
I have 3 miniatures.
I'm excited to see how it looks like inside, and Mom too. Alright, Mom, excited? Yes. What are you gonna do? Sleep?
Very pleasant people. Yes, and they're friendly too.
Some olive oil for the bread,
Yes, please. This one.
the garlic bread. You
The
like
garlic-
2 slices?
One
or-
slice.
This one is with cheese, yeah.
I'll try that.
Okay, good.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Salad and beef tenderloin.
Shrimp, they see.